Let's discuss class 9th math mock test paper. Starting from section A, there are 20 questions, 1 mark each. Question number 1. Find the value of 5 root 3 minus 3 root 12 plus 2 root 75. Answer will be 9 root 3. Now let's solve. 5 root 3 minus 3, we can write 12 as 2 into 2 into 3, 4 root 3. Similarly, root 75 को भी ऐसे split करें, 25 into 3. Now 5 root 3, 2 root से बाहर आ जाएगा as 2 has pair. 3 into 2 root 3 plus 25 is a perfect square, so 5 will come out of the root 3. 5 root 3 minus 6 root 3 plus 10 root 3. 10 plus 5, 15. 15 minus 6, 9 root 3. Question number 2. Find the value of 256 raised to the power 0.16 into 256 raised to the power 0.09. First, convert this decimal into fraction. So it will become 16 upon 100 into 256 raised to the power 9 upon 100. Now the bases are same. We can add the exponents. 256 raised to the power 16 upon 100 plus 9 upon 100. Add the exponent. 256 raised to the power 16 plus 9, 25 by 100. 25 by 100 can be cancelled. 1 upon 4. So 256 raised to the power 1 by 4. 256 को हम कैसे रीराइट कर सकते हैं? 4 raised to the power 4 into 1 by 4. 4 4 cancel. Answer is 4. Next, how many solutions will y is equal to 13x plus 8? अब जितनी हम x की वैल्यूज इंसर्ट करेंगे उतनी ही y की वैल्यूज आएंगी. So that is why infinitely many solution. Next, in which quadrant or on which axis does the point 3 comma negative 1 lie? So 3 is x, y is negative. So when x is positive, y is negative, it's a fourth quadrant. Next, the radius of a hemisphere is r, then its volume will be, hemisphere का volume होता है 2 by 3 pi r cube. It's a direct question. Next, any point of the form a comma negative a. So first वाला हमारा x coordinate होता है, second हमारा y coordinate होता है. Always lie on the graph of the equation. x is equal to negative a, ये ट्रू नहीं है. y is equal to a, ये भी ट्रू नहीं है. y is equal to x, दोनों सेम नहीं है तो ये भी करेक्ट नहीं है. x plus y, अब when you add a negative a, you will get 0. So D part is correct. Next, in the figure, if OP is parallel to RS, values given angle P, angle RQ, you need to find angle PQR. ये without construction solve नहीं होगा, so draw a line parallel to RS, let it be QA. So construction is QA parallel to RS. अगर वो RS के पैरेलल है, that means वो OP के भी पैरेलल है. Why? Because OP is parallel to RS. तो हम ये तीनों लाइन आपस में पैरेलल है. Now RS parallel to OA, तो इससे क्या होगा? This angle R and angle Q inside वाले दोनों क्या फॉर्म कर रहे हैं? Co-interior angle. So this will be 50 degree. सम ऑफ को इंटीरियर एंगल, इन दोनों का सम 180 होना चाहिए. Now if you check PO parallel to QA, which means this angle P, which is 110 degree, and the other angle ये पूरा, this whole angle, both are equal. Reason, alternate angle. So we can say angle OPQ is equal to angle PQA. Now ignore RQ. These are alternate angle. So this whole angle is 110 degree. Now angle PQA is a combination of angle PQR plus angle RQA. इन दोनों को ऐड करके ये फुल एंगल फॉर्म हुआ है एंगल PQA. PQR हमें फाइंड आउट करना है. RQA हम ऑलरेडी निकाल चुके हैं, दैट इज 50 डिग्री. PQA is 110 degree. Angle PQR. 50 will go to other side. 110 minus 50 is 60 degree. Right? Next. An exterior angle of a triangle is 105 degree and opposite interior angles are equal. Both are equal. We know this property, sum of two opposite interior is equal to exterior angle, or exterior angle is equal to the sum of two interior angles. So we can say 2x is equal to 105 degree, x is equal to 105 by 2, 52.5 degree. B. Question number 9. Draw two triangles A, B, C and P, Q, R. Now AB is equal to QR. We need to check किस फॉर्म में ट्राइंगल्स कॉन्ग्रुएंट है. कॉन्ग्रुएंट होने के लिए एंगल शुड ओवरलैप, हमें वही चेक करना है. ये डिफरेंट डिफरेंट फॉर्म में ट्राइंगल्स की नेमिंग हो रखी है, तो हमें चेक करना है वेदर A is falling on P और A is falling on Q और A is coinciding with R. हमें ये चेक करना है बेसिकली. सो AB is equal to QR. Next BC. BC is equal to PR. अब इन्हीं दो साइड से हम चेक करते हैं दोनों का ओरिजिन कहां से है. एक का B से है, एक का R से. नाउ वी नीड टू चेक वेदर A is falling on Q और A is falling on P. एक चीज तो हमें क्लियर हो गई है दैट B is falling on R. Right? So that means A is out of the race. A part is out of the race. यहाँ पर भी B is falling on R. This is correct. Here also B is falling on R. This is correct. B is falling on R. So तीन options अभी भी हमारी रेस में है. Next, we know AB is equal to QR. Right? And BC is equal to PR. That means C आपका P पे फॉल कर रहा है and A is falling on Q. Now figure out that option. A is falling on Q. A यहाँ पर थर्ड प्लेस पे है, यहाँ पर भी Q थर्ड प्लेस पे है, C यहाँ फर्स्ट प्लेस पे है एंड P यहाँ फर्स्ट प्लेस पे. So that means our option B is correct. Next, a figure obtained by joining the midpoints of the rhombus. Rhombus में all sides are equal. Let's draw midpoints here. So the figure formed by joining the midpoints of the rhombus taken in order is a rhombus, a rectangle, a square, a parallelogram. Now this is a question from NCERT. Let it be PQRS. Now you need to check PQRS. Is it a rhombus, rectangle, square and parallelogram? Now rhombus की हमारी एक property होती है that diagonals bisect each other at 90 degree. Diagonals bisect each other at 90 degree. So we can say AC and BD are perpendicular bisector and SP are midpoints. So using midpoint theorem and perpendicular bisector property, we can say it is a rectangle. Rectangle में क्या होता है? Opposite sides are equal and any one angle is, if it is a 90 degree, then that parallelogram is a rectangle. Next, question number 11. Three angles of a quadrilateral. Given 75, 90, 75. You need to find fourth angle. Sum of all angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degree. 75 plus 90 is 240. 240 plus x is equal to 360, which means x is equal to 360 degree minus 240, which is 120. Next, in triangle, angle ABC 20 degree, this is 20. You need to find angle AOC. Now AOC है क्या? Angle subtended by an arc AC. AC is an arc. The angle subtended by an arc at the center. So this one is center, is double the angle subtended by the same arc at the remaining part of the circle. अब remaining part of the circle में angle B है. So this should be double of 20 degree, which means 2 into 20, 40 degree. Next, in this figure, angle AOB. Angle AOB is 40. If this one is 40, this one is also 40. Why? Because AO is equal to OB. Both are radii of same circle. This makes triangle AOB and isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle में क्या होता है? Opposite angles are equal. If these two are 40 degree, 40, 40, 80. So what about the third angle? Third angle will become 100. Sum of the angle. Now find angle ACB. Same theorem. Angle subtended by an arc at the center is double the angle subtended by it at the remaining part of the circle. तो AB से हमारा angle OB form हो रहा है. AB arc से हमारा angle CB form हो रहा है. So this should be half of 100 degree. That's why answer is 50 degree. Next. The radius of a sphere is 2r. Now what is the volume? We know volume of sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube. Radius is changed. Radius is 2r. So replace r by 2r. Rest is same, 4 by 3. Open the bracket, 4 by 3 pi. 2 into 2 into 2 is 8. R into r into r is r cube. 8 into 4, 32 pi r cube by 3. Answer is D. Next, the total surface area of a cube is 96. What is the total surface area of a cube? 6a square is 96. Find the volume of the cube. Volume of cube is a cube. So सबसे पहले हमें a figure out करना है. A square is 96 by 6. Cancel 16. Now A will be square root of 16. So A is 4 centimeter. So volume will be 4 into 4 into 4, that is 64 centimeter cube. C part. Next, the area of an equilateral triangle with side 2 root 3 centimeter. So what is the area of equilateral triangle? Root 3 by 4 side square. Root 3 by 4 side is 2 root 3 into 2 root 3. We can cancel this 2 and 2 by 4. Root 3 is 3, 3 root 3. Now if you check, all the values are in decimal. So हमें root 3 की value substitute करनी पड़ेगी. What is the value of root 3? 1.73. Multiply it. You will get answer as 5.19. So nearest is this 5.196. Next, the side of a triangle 56, 60 and 52 long. Then the area of a triangle. This is an scalene triangle. Scalene triangle का area कैसे find out करते हैं हम? Using Heron's formula. So this is your triangle, 56 centimeter, 60 centimeter, 52 centimeter. यहाँ पर calculation थोड़ी lengthy हो जाएगी because you need to find S first. Semi perimeter 56 plus 52 plus 60 by 2. So S will be 168 by 2, that is 84. Now area is square root of S. S minus first side, S minus second side, S minus third side. So S is 84. S minus A, 84 minus 56, 84 minus 60, 84 minus 52. Square root 84. 84 minus 56 is 28. 84 minus 60 is 24. 84 minus 52 is 32. Now open the bracket, this root 84 का prime factorize is 2 into 2 into 3 into 7. This one is your 84. Next is 28. 28 is 7 into 4. Then 24. 6 into 4. 32 is 16 into 2. ये further factorize हो सकता है. But जो आपके pair में है, first take it out. So 2, 2 outside the root. 7, 7 outside the root. 4, 4 outside the root. Now the remaining part is 3 inside the root, 6 inside the root, 16 inside the root, 2. Now 3, 6 ko we can rewrite 3 into 2. 16 is 4 into 4 into 2. Outside is 2 into 7 into 4. Now सबके pair हम form हो गए हैं 4, 4 and 2, 2. So take it out of the root. 2 into 7 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 4. If you multiply all, this will be 1, 3, 4, 4. Option C. Next. In the class interval 10 to 20, 20 to 30, the number 20 is included. यहाँ पर first में 20 is upper limit and next interval में 20 is lower limit. So हम हमेशा include कब करते हैं? When it is in lower limit. So 20 to 30 में count होगा. Next, assertion. Negative x, negative y lies on third quadrant. This is true. A point both of whose coordinates are negative lies in third quadrant. This is also true. And reason is the correct explanation for A. That is why Answer is option A. Question number 19. Next assertion and reason. Assertion says if two circles are equal, then their radii are equal. They will overlap. When they will overlap? When their radii are equal. So this is true. Next, the circumference and the center of both the circle coincide. Coincide means congruence होगा वो figure. Thus, the radius of two circles should be equal. This is also true. And this is the correct explanation for assertion. So, इसका आंसर भी A होगा. This is our section A. Moving to section B. सेक्शन बी में आपका एक और ऑप्शनल क्वेश्चन होगा जिसमें से आपको चूज करना पड़ेगा आप ए पार्ट कर रहे हैं या बी पार्ट कर रहे हैं. इन दिस वीडियो वी विल डू बोथ. फोर्थ रूट ऑफ 81. So we can write 81 as 3 raised to the power 4 1 by 4 minus 8 216 raised to the power 1 by 3 plus 15 into 32 raised to the power 1 by 5. रूट वाले हम फ्रैक्शन में लिखते हैं 1 upon the root. 225 is square root, so 225 raised to the power 1 by 2. अब try to write this 216, 32, 225 in such a way कि इसका जो denominator है वो cancel हो जाए. Means 216 should be written in the form of base raised to the power 3 if possible. यहाँ पर possibility है because 216 is a perfect cube of 6. So इसको हम लिख सकते हैं 6 raised to the power 3 into 1 by 3. So ये 3 cancel हो जाएगा. Plus 15. अब 32 को हमें कैसे लिखना है? Something raised to the power 5. So this is 2 raised to the power 5 into 1 by 5. So 5 cancel. 25 is a perfect square. 15 raised to the power 2. Similarly, this 2 cancel. 3 minus 8 into 6, 48. 15 into 2, 30. 15. Now add all positive number. 30 plus 15, 45 plus 3, 48. 48 minus 48, this is 0. Next, 0.585858. So this is a non-terminating repetitive rational number. Okay, we can write it in the form of P by Q. Let's do it on another page. 0.585858 dot 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 dot. Let x is equal to जो repeat हो रहा है उसके ऊपर बार लगा दो. Now this is non-terminating repetitive. Now this is equation number 1. Decimal के बाद हमारा जो number form हो रहा है जो decimal digits हैं, these are under the influence of bar. अब जितने numbers आपके continue हो रहे हैं हमें उतने जीरो से multiply कराना होता है. Why? ताकि जब हम subtract करें तो हमारा irrational part remove हो जाए. So यहाँ पर अभी 2 है, multiply by 100. So ये क्या बन जाएगा? 100x is equal to ये decimal हमारा आगे shift हो जाएगा. So 58.58 बार, क्योंकि आगे भी हमारे 58 है. आप इसको ऐसे कंसिडर करिए, अभी भी हमारे आगे 58 रिपीटिंग मोड में है. So second. Now which one is greater? Second is greater than first equation. So subtract equation 1 from equation 2. So this will be 100x minus x is equal to 58.58 bar. Don't forget to put bar. 50.58. Subtract. This will be 0. 58 is equal to 99x. X is equal to 58 by 99. So we have written this repeating non-terminating number in the form of rational number, which can be written as P by Q, where Q is not equal to 0. Next, plot the following points and write the name of the figure obtained. Let's plot -3, 2 कहाँ आएगा ये? This will come in second quadrant. X is negative, Y is positive, -3, 2. So this is P. Next is -7, -3, -7, -3. Third quadrant. This is Q. Then 6, -3, positive X, negative Y, 6, -3 R. And last is 2, 2. 2, 2. If you join, क्या फिगर फॉर्म हुई है हमारी? This is a trapezium. Maintaining the equal gap between parallel lines. Next, write the equation of the straight line which is parallel to x-axis above 4 units. So above 4 unit, this one, which is parallel to x-axis. So using scale draw. This is parallel to x-axis 4 units. y-axis पे 4 units क्या है? So हमारी equation क्या होगी? y is equal to 4. Next, the sides of a triangular park 8, 10 and 6. If you observe these numbers, these are Pythagorean triplet. 8 square, 6 square is equal to 10 square. 8 square is 64. 6 square is 36. If you add 64 and 36, that will be 100, which is 10 square. So we can say this is a right angled triangle. So I will draw in that manner only. A, B, C. Hamari longest side is hypotenuse. So this is 10. Now the other two sides, other two legs can be 8 and 6. A small circular area of diameter 2. So radius हमारा 1 हो गया, is left out and the remaining area is to be used for growing roses. How much area is used for growing roses? Use pi as 3.14. Since it is a right angle triangle, so what is the area of right angle triangle? Half into base into height minus pi r square. Pi r square. Now this can be cancelled. 2 and 8. 6, 4, 24. Pi is 3.14. 3.14 into 1 is 3.14. Subtract it. The result will be 20.86 centimeter square, since it is an area. Second option, the sides of a triangle are 24 centimeter, 17 centimeter and 12 centimeter. Again, this is your Heron's formula. Find the area of the triangle. You try this question by yourself and the answer will be 90 centimeter square. Okay, try by yourself. Next, state and prove vertically opposite angle theorem. अब हमें पता तो है vertically opposite angles क्या होते हैं, but उसको state करना है and prove करना है. What is the statement for vertically opposite angle? There should be two lines, they should intersect, and the angles formed are vertically opposite angles. So first name it AOB. This will be COD. So statement says when two straight lines intersect each other at a point, that point is O. The pair of opposite angles formed are equal. Now let's name it 1, 2, 3, 4. What you need to prove? That angle 1 is equal to angle 3 and angle 2 is equal to angle 4. Since it is a straight line, so we can say angle 1 plus angle 2 is 180 degree. Also angle 2 plus angle 3 is 180 degree. Now both equation 1 and 2 are equal to 180 degree. We can use our chapter Euclid. If two things are equal to the same thing, they are equal to one another. So we can say angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to angle 2 plus angle 3. दोनों इक्वेशन में angle 2 कॉमन है, so we can cancel. This makes angle 1 is equal to angle 3. Similarly, you can say angle 2 is equal to angle 4. Hence, proved. Now remaining section C, D and E, we will do it in next video. Thank you.